Hey everyone, Michael here. Last week I gave you guys 3 calls to buy: AMT, FTNT, and Microsoft. They've all been doing wonderfully, but moving on to this week I have another 4 or 5 calls that I think you guys should look at, or if you guys don't know options yet, you guys can just play the swing trade and make a few percent there, which is always amazing money, right? So first of all, we have ALB right here, guys. Nice and easy. It looks like it's about to break out here. It looks like it actually broke out on Friday. Let's see what happens on Monday if this decides like it wants to close above this orange line. If it does, you can look forward to buying some calls around 180 to 185 strike price that expire either on the 16th or the 23rd. I would suggest the closer you guys are to the strike price or the current price of the stock, you're going to have that be closer to this week as far as calls are concerned. Or if you guys want to hold a little bit longer to the 23rd, you can have a strike price of 180 all the way up to 185 potentially, right? So this one looks okay, looks primed and ready to go. Just be careful and watch to see how the price action goes on Monday, right? After that, we have BA. There we go. This one, it broke out last Thursday, I believe, last Wednesday. Looks okay. It's kind of stagnated a little bit right here, but this is more of a YOLO play with an intent to kind of boost up here, especially if we have a strong Monday. I'll be buying a few of these Monday right as the market opens, and with a little bit of luck, we should try to go back up towards $90. And I'll have a strike price of $90 to maybe $92. I'll be buying these for the 23rd of July this month. And then from there, I'll hold it until I find I have enough profit that I'm going to sell off on that those calls as well. But this one looks pretty simple. Be careful. I have a price target of about $91. From there, that's the gap up price. So if it does want to gap up, it could definitely do that. But be careful with this one just because it is going to hit some heavy resistance at that gap up level. But if you're lucky and you do want to buy a call that's all the way out at the end of the month, the 30th, you may actually be able to catch a nice gap up where it tries to go all the way back up to $96. So this is one of those times where if you want to take a little bit more risk, you could buy calls that expire at the end of the month, and you want to have them at a strike price of, let's say, $94 to $95. And then as it continues to go up, if it continues to go up, you can make some good profits there as well. Second to last, we have AA right here called Alcoa Corporation. This one is not ready to pop just yet, but this is something you should definitely have on your watch list. Every week I give you guys one that's not ready to pop or is close to popping, but I want you guys to take the initiative and do your own due diligence on it. So if this one does pop off here, you want to make sure it closes above this orange line once, if not twice, if you guys are a little bit more cautious, right? And you're going to have a price target of about, let's say $41 or so. And from there, you're going to have a strike price of, let's say $39, $40. That way you can make sure it's in the money by the time you sell, and you should be good to go. Again, I'd recommend buying some of these calls for the 23rd, probably with an expiration of the 23rd of July. That'd probably be the safest way to do it. Otherwise, if you're expecting this to really pop off now and sooner, or you want to take more of a gamble, you can buy the $40 calls that expire on the 16th of July right here, which is this upcoming Friday, right? And then last but not least, we have this ACM right here. This one is in a little bit of a bearish flag right here, but it looks like it wants to pop off here. So if this is able to pop off on Monday, you could actually see this go back up towards 64, 62, which will be about this 50-day moving average. And if it's able to pop up from here, which it usually does when it hits hits the blue line right here, you're going to see it probably go up towards 65, 66 bucks. So if this does break out here, I'm going to have a $3 profit price target. That'll give me some really great returns in the options market, and I'll have a strike price of probably $65, and this will expire either on this Friday or the following Friday, preferably the following Friday, which is the July 23rd. Okay, everybody, that's it. Nice and sweet. I try not to take this too long. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And if you are making money, like I know a lot of you guys have been so far, please tell your friends about it. I'm hoping to grow this channel up quite a bit. Thanks, everyone.